Start by removing this trim with a plastic removal trim or a taped flathead screwdriver. Then use a Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws.
Era lo que vamos a poner.
Remove these two push clips by pushing them in the center and then removing them with the plastic remover tool or a flat screwdriver. Now you should be able to remove the complete trim by pushing the door out. Start by the bottom and make your way around the door. Be careful because there are some connections. We don't need to remove the complete door panel because from this point we can access the door check trap. But if you are doing this without help, it is better to remove the complete panel. To do this, you just need to disconnect the electrical connectors. To remove the door check strap, use and bolt the 10mm bolt and one 12mm bolt, and then just get the strap from inside the door. Be careful not to drop it.
Está bacano ese aquí también.
Eso es una chima.
Sí. ¿Dónde lo compro, Javi?
Super chip. Pega ahí la puerta. Se me olvidó decirle eso.
Yo apoyándome en la puerta.
Yo ahí pensando que ya usted sabía.
Installing the new unit is basically backwards of the removing process. The only difference is that you need to be sure that you are installing it properly. If you are doing the right side of your car, make sure that the R is facing up. Now, if you are doing the left side, just make sure the L is facing up.
Cigarro. Bueno. Y que hicimos.
Sí, se puede, Javi, sí, se puede.
Ahora menos para atrás. Un poquito menos, un poquito más para acá. Ahí.
Se puede volver a poner ahí.
Ahí nuevamente.
Perdón.
Perdona, no vuelvas.
Pregunta, ¿es mejor probar la bisagra antes de cerrar eso? ¿O?
Si se la ponemos acá, la acomodamos.
Okay.
Sin cerrarla toda. Ahí ya. Estos clips. Ahí.
It is always a good habit to test all the components that might get damaged during this process. So in this case, we check all the electrical switches on the door panel to verify that they are working.
Bueno, como quiera.
Es que este es solamente porque tranca esto de subir.
Ajá.
Listo. Sacamos las yucas.
Ahí.
From this point, you just need to make sure that the clips
Ya me
are
arrepiento
secure in
para lo
the
que
door.
hace.
So for that, you just need to press the door panel
No
against
contestó nada.
the door
No, no dijo
and
nada.
tap with your
Era
hand
solamente
until you
porque
hear the click,
como no me...
and then just install the clips, the plastic clips,
Sí.
and then the screws, and you are done. This is a very easy job. You just need the basic tools, and it can be done in maybe 20 minutes or less. I add a coat of silicone grease just to lubricate a little bit the strap, as this one was from the wreckers.
No le digo verdad que como un cumpleaños dentro de una
Take it
semana.
easy. See you next
¿Por qué?
time.